The 2026 Canton Fair has officially begun. If you'd like to experience more, we sincerely invite you to visit Teiko's Huizhou New Energy Factory. From the Canton Fair to Taco Factory in Huizhou.
Here is the Taiko's factory. Here is more than 10,000 square meters. As the leader of the solid-state batteries industrialization and a source of the factory for the innovators.
Our factory has an annual battery production capacity of 5 GWh. They go complete residential, commercial, and other large-scale energy storage technologies. This gives our battery is the key testing area for our verifiable battery reliability performance and ensures enable production and stability control for our battery.
This is our inverter production line. Our annual inverter production capacity is 500,000 units. We produce full range of inverters from off-grid to hybrid, from IP21 to IP65, from EU model to US model. This is our showroom. We have residential, commercial, and industry resolutions. In addition, we have various specifications.
Here is our Taiko's warehouse. There is a lot of our product in stock to ensuring our turnover rapidly and timely delivery, making the future cooperations more secure. Here is also our Taiko warehouse. Please check.